Good afternoon, dear partners again. Reading the guideline, I think that I missed some part of the assignment. I need to talk about the part of the speech. Definition, type, and example. Part of the speech, the verb. A definition is, in a sentence, the verb expresses what the subject does. Example, she hopes for the job. Or what the subject is. She is confident. Action type. Action verb or linking verbs or helping verbs. Example, I finally realized my mistake. This is an action verb. The curtains smell like a little smoky. This is a helping verb. Uh, linking verb, excuse me. Helping verb, the comets have collided with Earth many times. This is a helping verb. Next, adjective. Adjective is a word used to describe or modify a noun or a pronoun. Adjective usually answer questions like which one, what kind, or how many. Type, describe adjective, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, questioning adjective. Example, she was an 18-year-old boy, but the girl was only 16 years old. This is a descriptive adjective. One example of demonstrative adjective, this novel is the worst I have ever read. These biographies are much better. Those are demonstrative adjectives. Questioning adjective, which joke did you like better? And what reason could you give for your preference? And finally, conjunction. Conjunction join word phrases or clauses. There are two types, coordinating conjunction or correlative conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. Example, and, but, or, nor, for, so, yet. Coordinating. And correlative as, both, and, not only, but also, either, or, neither, nor, whether, or. Well, I think that with this intervention I can complete my assignment. Sorry for the length, but see you soon, my friends.